Welcome to TECHATOP, the best ultra-short throw projector for 2026? You are in the right place. In today's video, we explore the top models that offer incredible visuals, rich colors, and space-saving convenience. From premium performance to budget-friendly options, we cover it all. Watch till the end to find your ideal setup and make the right choice. Do not forget to check links in the description. Number 5. The AWOL Vision LTV 3000 Pro 4K Smart UHD 3D Triple Laser Ultra Short Throw Projector delivers a premium home theater experience by combining cutting-edge projection technology with user-friendly design. Built with a triple laser light source, it produces exceptionally vivid colors and covers a wide color gamut, resulting in lifelike visuals that stand out, especially when watching high dynamic range content. Support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+ further enhances contrast and detail, making movies and shows appear more immersive and cinematic. One of its biggest strengths is the ultra-short throw capability, allowing it to project images up to 150 inches from just a few inches away from the wall. This makes it perfect for modern living spaces where traditional projectors are not practical. The native 4K resolution ensures sharp and detailed images, while the 2000 lumens brightness performs well in dim to moderately lit environments. Audio quality is solid, with built-in speakers that support Dolby Atmos, offering a more immersive soundstage than typical projectors. Gamers will also benefit from its low input lag, which can drop to around 8 milliseconds in turbo mode, providing responsive performance during fast-paced gameplay. Smart features and connectivity options add to its versatility, including multiple HDMI ports, Bluetooth support, and compatibility with voice assistants. Overall, this projector stands out as a powerful and flexible choice for anyone seeking a high-end, space-saving home entertainment solution with impressive visual and audio performance. Number 4. The Samsung 120-inch Class LPU 7D. The premier 7-laser projector 4K UHD Smart TV offers a refined blend of modern design and advanced projection technology, making it a compelling choice for home entertainment enthusiasts. Its ultra-short throw capability allows it to produce a massive screen size from just a few inches away, giving users the freedom to create a cinematic setup without complicated installation. Equipped with 4K resolution and HDR10+ support, the projector delivers sharp visuals with enhanced contrast and vibrant colors. The laser light source ensures long-lasting performance, with an estimated lifespan of up to 20,000 hours, reducing maintenance concerns over time. The 2500 lumens brightness provides decent performance in controlled lighting, though it truly shines in darker environments, where image quality appears more consistent and immersive. The built-in Tizen Smart platform enhances usability by offering direct access to streaming services, along with features like Samsung Gaming Hub and screen mirroring. Connectivity options such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to integrate with other devices, while voice assistant support through Amazon Alexa and SmartThings adds convenience to everyday use. Audio performance is respectable thanks to integrated speakers that deliver clear and room-filling sound, making it suitable for casual viewing without external speakers. However, for a true cinematic audio experience, a dedicated sound system would still be beneficial. Overall, this projector stands out for its sleek design, smart features, and large screen capability, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for modern home theater setups. Number 3. The Hisense PX3 Pro Triple Laser UST Projector is a premium ultra-short throw projector that delivers an impressive blend of cinematic visuals, gaming performance, and smart features. Built with a triple laser light source and native 4K resolution, it produces exceptionally sharp images with vibrant colors and excellent clarity, even on large screens up to 150 inches. One of its standout strengths is the high brightness level of 3000 lumens, which allows it to perform well in both dark and moderately lit environments. The projector also offers strong contrast, creating deep blacks and bright highlights that enhance overall picture depth and realism. Support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and IMAX Enhanced ensures a more immersive viewing experience with accurate colors and dynamic range. For gaming, this model is particularly impressive. It is certified as designed for Xbox and supports high refresh rates, including up to 240 Hz at lower resolutions, delivering smoother and more responsive gameplay. This makes it a great option for gamers who want a large screen experience without sacrificing performance. The built-in Google TV platform provides access to a wide range of streaming services, along with Chromecast and AirPlay support for easy content sharing. Connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1 ports, add flexibility for modern devices. The integrated sound system, tuned with quality speakers, delivers clear and powerful audio suitable for everyday use. Overall, this projector stands out for its brightness, color performance, and gaming capabilities. It is an excellent choice for users who want a versatile, high-end home entertainment system that excels in movies, streaming, and gaming alike. Number 2. The Epson Lifestudio Grand Plus 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector delivers a premium home theater experience by combining powerful brightness, advanced 3LCD technology, and high-quality integrated audio. Designed for users who want a complete entertainment system, this projector stands out with its ability to produce large, vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions. With an impressive 4,000 lumens of both color and white brightness, it performs exceptionally well in bright rooms, maintaining clarity and color accuracy without significant washout. The 3LCD display technology ensures consistent color performance and eliminates rainbow artifacts often seen in other projection systems. Native 4K resolution combined with HDR support produces sharp details and balanced contrast, making movies, sports, and games look more lifelike and engaging. The ultra short throw design allows the projector to sit close to the wall while still delivering screen sizes up to 150 inches. This makes it ideal for modern living spaces where distance is limited. The laser light source offers long-term reliability with up to 20,000 hours of usage, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. A key highlight is the built-in sound system enhanced with Bose technology, which delivers rich, room-filling audio that complements the large screen visuals. This eliminates the immediate need for external speakers, making setup simple and convenient. Smart features powered by Google TV provide easy access to streaming services and voice control through Google Assistant. Overall, this projector is an excellent choice for users seeking a bright, all-in-one home theater solution with strong visuals, reliable performance, and impressive built-in audio. Number 1. The Leica Cine1 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser Streaming Home Theater Projector is a luxury-class home cinema projector that focuses on delivering exceptional optical precision, natural color reproduction, and a true cinematic experience in a compact ultra short throw design. Built with Leica's premium engineering philosophy, it combines advanced laser projection technology with high-end image processing to create a refined viewing experience. This projector uses a triple RGB laser light source that produces 3,000 lumens of brightness, ensuring vibrant and detailed visuals with strong color accuracy. It supports 4K resolution through XPR pixel shifting technology, which delivers sharp and highly detailed imagery on a fixed 100-inch screen size. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to reproduce 100% of the BT 2020 color space, resulting in over 1 billion colors that feel rich and natural. The Leica image optimization system enhances contrast and color balance, giving content a more cinematic and realistic appearance. While its contrast ratio is more modest compared to some competitors, it compensates with excellent clarity and superior lens quality, which is a signature strength of Leica optics. The premium Summicron lens ensures edge-to-edge sharpness and excellent focus consistency across the entire image. Its ultra-short throw design allows it to sit very close to the wall, making it ideal for modern living spaces where minimal setup is preferred. With a 60 Hz refresh rate, it delivers smooth performance for movies and general entertainment. The long-lasting laser light source offers up to 25,000 hours of lifespan, ensuring durability and low maintenance. Overall, this projector stands out for its outstanding image sharpness, natural color accuracy, and premium build quality, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a high-end cinematic home theater experience. That wraps up our look at the best ultra short throw projectors for 2026. From incredible 4K clarity to powerful brightness and immersive sound, these projectors are changing the way we experience home entertainment. Whether you want a compact cinema setup or a full gaming powerhouse, there is a perfect option for you. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech videos and updates coming soon.